Hi, I'm Mike Snyder and I speak a few different languages. Sure, I've handled all kinds of cases, but I also speak workers' compensation. If you aren't familiar with these complex matters, which require an understanding of pension law, family law, and the ability to do a global mediation involving both a third-party action and a workers' compensation matter, you may be losing money for your client, no matter which side they're on. Handling cases like these involve major multitasking, kind of like following two steel bearings in a pinball machine at the same time. Not only do I speak comp, but I also speak a language that is pretty unusual for judges and lawyers. I speak math. The more complicated the case, the more complicated the math. Pension set-offs and credits, Medicare set-asides, subrogation lien calculations, present value discussions often make the eyes of both clients and lawyers roll. I can explain these issues in language that real humans understand, and even better, do the necessary calculations. Working to resolve these complicated cases calls on a pretty extensive toolbox of skills. The knowledge of medicine, engineering, and construction methods is essential. Understanding hospital records is a little like being a detective, and a little like solving a puzzle when you don't know what the finished puzzle should look like. I've been doing this kind of stuff for years. I've actually even taught anatomy to law students. I'm really detail-oriented. I've always believed that if I am going to be effective as a mediator, I need to know the case better than any of the attorneys. Therefore, I will read everything that I'm given. Sometimes it's impossible to know what isn't necessary until you read it. It's this kind of thoroughness that is my hallmark. But in the end, what's really important is that I am completely fluent in the most important of languages. I speak people. When you work with me, you aren't going to be dealing with a robot. You and your clients need and deserve to work with someone who takes pleasure in working with you. I want to learn about you, your clients, and your cases. I want us to be able to do what people who speak different languages want to do. I want us to communicate. Give me a call and let's communicate.